Previously on Destination Now, we had an unexpected death in the family, which sent us straight to Southern California to be with Nick's younger brother, who had just lost his mom. There are many ups and downs to living in a house on wheels. One of these is being blessed with the ability to pack up and leave in a minute's notice when you're needed in another location. The downside is in order to follow your dreams of traveling, you have to leave family and friends behind for long periods of time, never knowing if it's going to be for the last time. For us, it's only been about 6 months since we last put our feet in the warm SoCal sand, with a free parking spot only 2 blocks from Trixie's favorite dog beach. But this time is a little different. Not only are we grieving the loss of a loved one, but this will also be our last time to visit our brother Chris at this Huntington Beach location. He has some big life changes ahead of him, and we're here to support whatever he decides. But for now, we've all decided to check out the Thousand Steps Beach for some healing ocean air and my favorite evening activity of watching a beautiful West Coast sunset over the water.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
What's up, guys? Here I am again, randomly. Welcome back, Chris. I guess it's going straight.
I drive, guys!
Whoa, nice! That's gonna be us!
So we're at 1,000 Steps in Laguna Beach, and last time we came here, this was all closed up for construction, so we're back. Let's check it out. Wow, this is really steep. There's a lot of stairs, man. Whew. Sweating.
Going down?
Yeah. We made it. So, welcome to 1,000 Steps Beach. That was a lot of steps, but we're here.
We are back in California here for a quick minute. We had a family emergency, so we had to leave Sedona early. We'll have to continue with that at another time. But since we're here in Southern California, we decided to stop by 1,000 Steps Beach since it was closed last time we were here and we really wanted to see it. And while it's not 1,000 steps, it's kind of probably closer to 100 or 200 steps, but still a very pretty beach and not too many people know about it because it's just right off the highway.
This is beautiful. My goodness. The ocean feels so nice.
There's a cave over there, and because of the tide and the seasons, and the tide's changing with the seasons, can't go in it because it's pretty flooded. But normally you can go in there, crawl over some rocks. You get to some private property. Beyond there, past the private property, there's some public property where there are some tide pools that are man-made.
Made tide pools?
Man-made tide pools. They're basically swimming pools that are filled with seawater, freshly, every day. So it's cool.
We've got some changes, surprises, and big news coming up in our future episodes that our All Access patrons already know about as they get the inside scoop in real time. If you'd like access to early ad-free video releases, updates, news, swag, and much more, head over to our Patreon page and help support our channel.
So it begins.
Oh my God, it goes on forever.
Oh man, oh sorry's down. Man, down. That's a lot of stairs, man. Getting dizzy. Getting elevation sickness. Come on, you got this, Nick. Oh my God. Jacqueline.
218.
218? I knew you'd know. Good job, baby.
I'm gonna need a minute.
Yeah. How's your legs feel?
That's why I was worried about bringing too many clothes. Way back up.
How's it feel to drive again?
I told you, it feels like I'm learning how to drive again. It's been so long. Last time I drove the drive before we sold my car, and time before that was at Chris's house. It's like every few months.
That's it, yep. What a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change.
Want to help Nick get some fuel? Head over to our Patreon page and buy us a mile. Each patron level offers special perks to you for being so kind to us. If you enjoyed today's episode, hit that like button for us, subscribe if you haven't already, and join us next Tuesday on another adventure.
You're a good boy, are you? You're a good boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're a good boy. Yeah, you are. Bye.